extreme pain as the larvae burrow into the skin, wreaking havoc on their bodies. Birds become weak. They gradually became exhausted and in pain until they could no longer bear it. That suffering makes us wonder, is nature so cruel? Scary moments when removing the larvae from the bird's body. The larvae parasitize young birds because the bird's nest is a warm, moist, and safe environment, providing a rich source of nutrients. Young birds are weak and unable to protect themselves, creating ideal conditions for larvae to develop. Nature always has harsh laws that are sometimes difficult for humans to fully understand. One of the most cruel manifestations is that one species must parasitize another species to survive. Parasitic larvae in young birds are a clear demonstration of this cruelty. Parasitic larvae choose young birds as hosts because the environment in the bird's nest is warm and safe. Not only are they painful, but they also weaken the young birds' bodies by eating their tissues, depriving them of the nutrients they need to grow. This causes young birds not only to suffer, but also to lose the opportunity to develop normally. Young birds, born with weak wings, face pain and torture from parasitic larvae. They bite and eat young birds' body tissue, causing pain and weakness. Open wounds become doors for infection, weakening an already fragile immune system. The battle for survival becomes fierce, and without timely help, many young birds will not be able to overcome this challenge. Animal rescuers with love and compassion bring hope to life for little creatures. The rescue action not only saves the young birds, but also demonstrates human kindness and responsibility towards nature. In touching moments, animal rescuers gently and patiently removed the larvae from the young birds' bodies. They use sterilized tools such as tweezers and disinfectant solution to pick up each larva, clean and bandage the young bird's wounds. Each time the larva is removed, it is a step closer to life for these little creatures. Although nature has cruel aspects, human kindness is a light in the darkness. Animal rescuers with love and patience save baby birds from the ravages of parasitic larvae. They gently removed the larvae, cleaned and cared for the wound, giving the little creatures a chance at life. Thank you for watching and supporting our videos. If you find this story touching and meaningful, please click the subscribe channel button to not miss the next videos. Let's spread love and care to all living beings on this earth. Thank you.